In this video, I will show you how you can stop your apps from running in the background on your Android mobile. There can be two reasons you would like to stop your apps from running in the background. One, that they consume the battery, and the second, they consume the data also. So in order to stop the apps from running in the background, you need to go to the settings. Within the settings, you have to select the battery. The battery, you will have this option of launch with an explanation that manage app launches and background running to save power. You need to click that, and by default you will have most probably manage all automatically, and this selection will be there. But you can do that individually for app, like I am doing right now for one app, and it will give you these three options. One is the auto launch, which it says that launch on startup are in the background, and the second is secondary launch, can be launched by other apps, and the third is run in background, keep apps running in the background. So you can individually deselect that whatever the options you want to keep, or if you want to keep a particular option open, you can do that also. If you want to stop all the apps from running in the background, you just can go here and deselect that. It will give you warning for few uh, apps that they will not be synchronized or they will not be connected. So in that case, you can individually select those apps which you want to keep running in the background by individually selecting those apps. So that's how you can stop the apps from running in the background within your Android mobile. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.